Introducing the BeadSmith's hook and eye needles, your essential tool for stringing beads quickly and easily. Their double-ended design features a loop end that keeps beads in place as you load them on the needle and a hook end that grips your favorite bead thread, silk, or stretch cord after you effortlessly string the beads. Using them is simple. Just follow these 3 easy steps. Step 1. While holding the loop end, slide your beads onto the needle. Step 2. Loop your bead cord into the hook end. Step 3. Slide the beads onto the cord. Perfect for creating stretchy friendship bracelets, beautiful necklaces, and other projects. These needles are designed for beads with holes 1 mm or larger, making stringing a breeze while reducing eye strain. Available in 2 sizes, 6.7-inch and 10-inch, these needles are great for everything from delicate designs to bold creations. Made from strong yet flexible metal, these needles are durable enough to handle all your beading adventures. Discover the joy of beading today with the BeadsMith's hook and eye needles.